J Castle. Simplihan lang natin. J Castles is located in Tanawan, Batangas. This is the biggest and first immersive theme park in the Philippines. So, pupunta tayo dyan, experience natin lahat ng mga nasa loob ng castle. Pati na rin yung bagong attraction nila na Castles Inflatable. So, let's go inside and let's check it out. We're heading now sa entrance ng park. Kung pupunta kayo dito guys, plan your visit kasi merong mga araw na sarado siya. Parang Monday to Wednesday yata close ang park. Tapos meron ding opening hours siya ng Thursday to Sunday. Check nyo na lang guys kasi alam ko nag-iiba-iba siya. Then yung ticket, if you're in the budget like us, we got our ticket through Klook. Nung pag-check ko kasi doon parang buy 2 get 1 siya. So pag bumili ka ng dalawa, may libreng isa. Then pag check out mo, may additional discount pa. Kung gagamitin mo yung Klook discount code natin, yan, Familia Madriaga Klook. Redeem nyo lang yan guys. So pag check out nyo, automatic na siya pag-apply yung additional discount. So kung gusto nyo naman ng Agoda, meron tayong discounted tickets dyan sa may description box. Andyan yung affiliated link natin. So ito na, papasok na tayo ng J Castles. So ayan sila Mami. Are you excited? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Is this really a happy place?
Yes. Let's see.
We will see guys. So, ito na. Guys, yun. Si Mami, nire-redeem niya na yung ticket natin. Then, ang suggestion ni ate is dito muna kami sa may, Castles Inflatable. Alright, ito, naglalakad na kami guys sa Castles Inflatable. Ang init dito. So, good thing meron ng bago ngayong attraction ng J Castles. Yung mag-swimming ka, this is the largest infinity pool daw sabi. So, check natin to guys. Pati yung mga inflatables dito. Alright, dito may screening din sila. So, ipapaliwanag sa inyo yung mga hindi dapat gawin dito sa inflatable. So, mga sharp objects, yan. Meron din silang dining dito. Pati yung mga umbrellas, free to use siya kung yun nga, mainit. Pwede kang gamitin yung umbrellas sila.
Hello sir!
Hi!
Welcome to Castle.
Thank you!
Hi!
So there, ang babait ng mga staff dito. So here's ito na. Ang laki nitong inflatable guys. Hey guys! Are you excited? We're excited! So, sand dito. Sand ang ano nila. Dito na. Okay, thank you Salamat. So, yun. Mainit kasi.
Medyo po pa, baba po na.
Okay na yun.
Pwede nyo po may
parang sa mga medical Okay, sige. Salamat Ano pangalan mo?
Jeff po.
Sir Jeff. Oh, thank you Sir Jeff. Bye-bye.
Jeff
Thank you, thank you. So, ito na yung inflatable guys. Sobrang laki. Mamaya, iaano natin yan. Experience natin siya. So, mag-change muna tayo ng pang-swimming. Sila kuya, ang babait dito. Thank you kuya. Ito yung souvenir shop nila, tabi lang nung parang restaurant dito ng Castles Inflatable. So, ito guys.
Freedom.
Yeah.
Shut up. Shut up.
Ayan guys, pakita ko na sa inyo yung locker guys. 99 pesos lang siya pero sulit na rin. Malaki naman siya. So ito yung changing room nila. Malinis. So ito yung locker guys. So yung mga importanteng gamit nyo, pwede nyo lang dalhin dyan. So yan. Nakapag-change na tayo. So, ang init. This is the infinity pool, guys. The longest infinity pool sa Pilipinas. So, tara. Experience na natin to. Hey guys! We're in J Castle's infinity pool! Okay, ngayon guys wala pang tao dito. So parang solo namin tong infinity pool. Hey guys! Are you enjoying? Kailangan nyo ng socks dito sa may inflatable, Castle self-inflatable. Kung wala kayong socks na dala, pwede kayong bumili dyan sa may souvenir shop, 99 pesos each. So, kung balak nyo magpunta dito sa Castle self-inflatable, magdala na rin kayo ng socks para bawas sa ano rin, gastos din siya. So, ito, itatry na natin yung Castle's inflatable. Right, this is our first activity here sa Castle's inflatable. This is the spin zone. Down, 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 down. Jump, jump. Very good. The next one guys, the mega obstacle course ng Castle's inflatable. So yan, andito yung mga mechanics na how to play. Post nila lang siya guys para may idea na kayo pag nagpunta kayo dito.
Welcome po sa ating mega obstacle po sa inflatable castle.
Alright,
Pasok na po tayo. So
that's our safety reminders from our Castle's inflatable crew. Ate Addison will take over the video. So, sila na lang kasi medyo nagkakaedad na tayo.
Look guys, look at this beautiful view. Okay, that was enough. For me guys, it was really fun and tiring at the same time because there was a lot of obstacles. I think it's worth visiting since, you know, to let out your children and stuff.
Alright, this is the next one guys, the Rainbow Maze.
Once na nasa middle part na po tayo, choose lang po kayo ng color kung saan kayo mag-exit. It's either po sa blue, sa green, or sa pink.
Saan po ang exit kuya?
Ang exit po, yun nga
Sa
po,
green?
pipili kayo sa blue, green, or pink. Lahat po pare-parehas ang po.
Tara na!
Pare-parehas. Sige po, Rainbow Blaze. 3, 2, 1, go!
Go.
Diretso lang ma'am, diretso lang po.
Be careful. Which way? Whoa. Which way? Pink one. And this is the green one. So, this one, the yellow one. Diyan tayo galing sa yellow one. And then this is the blue one. What? Aquamarine. Okay? So, favorite color ni Aya is pink. So, we will choose pink. She loves pink. Whoa. Whoa! Yay! We got out of the maze! So let's go! Right, tapos na tayo dito sa may Castles Inflatable tsaka sa Infinity Pool. So look, oh, ang ganda guys, oh. Sobra! So papunta na tayo ngayon sa may mismong J Castles. So guys, meron din palang bar doon kung gusto nyo kumain or mag-refresh, meron sila doon. Ngayon, babalik tayo siguro sa may taas, sa may entrance. So, update namin kayo guys. Alright guys, yan. Security check. Aya, go inside. Yan guys, may picture taking pala muna dito. Thank you. Alright, so yun na, nakapasok na tayo. Ang hack pala dito sa Castles Inflatable, 9 AM open na sila, pwede na kayong dumiretso doon. Kung nag-avail kayo ng ticket ng Castles Inflatable, hiwalay kasi yung ticket nun. So, pwede na kayo dumiretso doon, 9 AM ang open nila. So, explore nyo na doon, enjoy nyo na yung mga activities doon like yung inflatables, yung infinity pool. So, pagtapos doon, siguro mga 2 hours, 3 hours, pwede na kayong dumiretso dito sa may restaurant. Dito na kayo mag-lunch. So, ano nga pala, sa mga bata, kung may kasama kayong bata, dala kayo ng extra shirt para sa kanila. Kasi si Aya, ilang beses nagpalit ng shirt kasi nga, mainit dito. So, pawis ng pawis, kaya palit din ng palit. Tapos yun guys, dito sa restaurant, portable naman din yung foods nila kasi 224 2 pieces chicken na. So, ang ginawa naman namin is one order lang ng 2 pieces chicken tapos hati na kami dun sa kasi 2 pieces naman, extra rice na lang yung isa. So, inaanting na lang namin siya. Pagtapos mag-lunch dito, doon na tayo sa may mga castles. Explore natin yun. Tapos sabi ni ate kanina, parang 4 PM mag-open naman yung mga outdoor rides. So, yun, parang tuloy-tuloy na rin siya. Kung gusto niya lang ma-maximize yung one day na na parang lahat i-ano mo siya, i-experience mo. So, yun lang, anantay lang natin yung lunch, tapos labas na tayo mamaya. So guys, ito na yung chicken. So, goods naman siya. Pati yung rice, ang laki. No? Yan si Ate Addison. Have the one-piece chicken. Hati sila ni Mami. Tapos hati kami ni Kuya. Ayan. Ito yung, what's this, Ate Addison? Lemon cucumber. Okay. And guys, papasok na tayo dito sa may mga castles. Tapos na po tayo mag-lunch. So, this is the, yung Pop Castle. So, parang ito yata yung main castle ng J Castles. So, try natin dito guys. Ito na yung Castle Pop Castle. Ayan. Entrance niya. So, pila lang tayo dito. Medyo maraming tao. Theater room. We're going to enter to theater room. Hi. Here's the theater room, guys. Alright, the show is done. Then we're going to the next attraction. That's the Astro Ball. So, this is the Astro Ball, guys. Here we are sa may parang carousel nila. Ang ganda dito, guys. So, we're going up. I don't know kung ano yung meron dito sa taas. Kasi guys, kumano kasi kami sa sumabay kami sa parang field trip. So, napakaraming tao. Walk-in lang naman kami. Ang ginawa ni Kuya, na kami. Hiniwalay na kami doon sa doon sa mga nagpi-field trip. So, ito na.
We just keep on walking, but never really getting nowhere. It's like we keep on talking, but never really saying nothing. On different sides, on different times, stuck in a ways we ain't changing. Can't read your mind, and I've really tried. You won't let me in like we're strangers. Say opposites, supposed to attract, but we both can tell it feels often. Should let it go, but somehow we fold, and it happens way too often. We're so different, we're so different. How could we ever agree, make it fit in? It's just like we're so different, we're so different. I don't quite understand you, don't get me. It's just like we're blinded by fear. We can't see clearly somehow.
So yun fam, pababa na tayo dito sa may mga rides. So pwede na sila mag-ride dito. So let's go here. Hi. Okay, go Aya. Go to the pink one. Kasi ate, nagmamadali. So, dito lang tayo guys sa labas. Baka makikita tayo dyan. So, let's go. This is the Periwinkle ride, guys. Yan. lang tayo. Go. Ate natin ito. Kasama. Hi! Go, go! Si Aya! Si Aya! Si Aya ba pwede?
No.
You cannot ride here, Aya. Okay? Okay, let's go. So there. So let's go to the... Itong guys yung Bruno's Bounce. Yan. So dito muna si Aya sa may carousel.
I want to ride the red one.
The red one? Okay. How was it?
It's so fun, you know, it's not backward.
I don't know. Backward?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Now we're jumping off our seat na. It's so fun.
Sige. So yun guys, nag-enjoy sila dito sa may Bruno Bounce. Oh, maganda rin itong Periwinkle. So 3 pa lang yung outdoor ano nila, rides. Pero sa tingin ko, dadagdagan pa nila to. So dito muna tayo habang nagano sila dyan. Grabe. Look at this view, guys. Wow. So yan, dyan tayo galing kanina sa may infinity pool na yan. So this is the yung inflatables. Yan. So ang ganda. Ayan yung tal, guys. Yan siya. Tapos ito nga, mayroon pang kino-construct dito, ito. Yan. So meron pa tayong i-expect, parang parang hotel siguro to. So yun. Grabe yung view dito. Did you enjoy? Wow! Hindi natin experience yung carousel sa loob kasi sobrang daming tao. So yun, let's go to the Studio Castle. We're going to check the souvenir area first. So they have hats. Oh, ganda ng hat. Look at the hat. Magkano to, ate? $249. $249. Do you want a hat, kuya? Ay, stuffed toy! Wow! What do you like, Aya?
The pink one.
This one? Ah, like ni Aya to. Pwede kumuha? Anong pangalan nito?
Periwinkle.
Periwinkle. Ah, wow! What's her name? Is she a girl? What's her name? Periwinkle. You say Periwinkle first. Ah, what's her name? Periwinkle. Magkano yun natin? Okay, let's check the other stuff. What's that, kuya? Keychain. Okay. Wow, what's that? It's cool. Pixel, Billy, Bruce, Jay, and Periwinkle. So, yun pala yung mga guys. So, tinatawag ako ni Mami dito sa mga photos, pictures.
Ayan.
Look, it's a...
Ano gusto mo? Yan o yung isa?
Dito tayo sa may Castle Studios.
Other photographing equipment, the venue is dark with uneven, slippery floors. In certain sections, the water may rise to knee-height for adults.
Present opposite to our Schumacher area. And we're going to be with such a regular sounds, man. Any other socks?
Meron ba? Basa.
Basa eh. Galing kami sa dito.
Hindi po kasi this required after the water area, we're going to wear for the security purposes po.
Okay.
Opo. Alright.
Oh my. So dark. Wait. So dark in here. This is the flood alley. Oh my. This is the water district, guys. So cool. Okay, nakita namin dito yung sa water district yung Fountain of Youth. Youth, pag ininom mo daw to, babata ka, try mo nga dear. Joke lang, joke lang. Oh! So, yun guys, pero joke lang yun ha, hindi talaga ano to ha, hindi talaga iniinom to, pero ang cool kasi may ganito. Tapos, meron din siyang yung bumbero hindi sinarado kaya nagbaha dito. Ito yung ano kung bakit taga-ano. Yan, so pambihira naman yung ano hindi sinarado tong anong to. So yun, ito na yung water district. Maganda siya yung tubig, hindi pa naman siya kulay ano libag. Malinis yung tubig. So sabi naman ni kuya parang ano naman to, tinitreat naman kaya malinis daw yung tubig. So let's go sa next. Ano to kuya? Attraction to?
Infinite space po.
Infinite space. OMG. Oh. Guys, ang ganda dito sa may ano, parang mga lights na to. Sobrang nakakawaw. Let's go to the next one. The next one is UFO. So, check natin to. Wow! Nice! So cool! Sobrang ano dito, UFO yung team niya. So ang daming lasers, lights yan. Parang umaano sa music. Nagsisynchronize siya sa music. So let's go to the next one. How was it at Edison? Wow. Wow. What's this? The cosmic projection. Wow! So cool! Wow! Sobrang ganda. Parang ayaw kong umalis. Sobrang ganda. So yun guys, parang kami na lang kasi ang tao dito kasi na-late kami. Kasi Aya parang di ko makakita. Come on Aya, let's go. Yo, there's more. So let's go on the next guys. This is the bubble talk, guys. Anong tawag ito, kuya? Bubble talk. Okay. Sige. This is the bubble talk. So, relax ka rin dito. Ayan. Tapos yung ganyang tunog, parang nakaka-antok. Hi! So, kung naririnig niyo yung tunog, yung music, tapos sasabayan mo pa ng upong ganito, sigurado makakatulog ka. So, yun, ito yung bubble talk, guys. Alright, tapos na tayo dito sa may bubble talk. Dito naman tayo sa next one. Wow, digital forest. So this is the digital forest, guys. Wow, look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It's a tree with lots of monitors. Wow. So cool. That's Kuya Kyle, guys. Nasa monitor, nasa tree siya. How about the other one? So, here. Oh, that's me. That's me. Thank you, Kuya.
So how was the experience inside po? How about the exit?
Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Okay, dito naman yung Castle Foodie. So, dito siya sa may parang restaurant ng food sections ng J Castles. So, try natin yung mga food dito, guys. Alright, ito yung menu ng J Castles. So meron din silang rice. $2.49 lang 2 pieces chicken. Pwede. Steak, carbonara, pasta, yung burger, and blue burger overload. Meron ding hot dogs, fries. Yan. You hungry? Alright, go. Hi! What? Yan, papunta tayo sa may Castle Foodie. So, yung Castle Foodie, para siyang magda-dine ka, tapos immersive yung, yan, Castle Foodie immersive dining. So, come on. Let's check this out. So, it's the entrance, guys. Hi, Kuya. How's the immersive dining? It's nice. So, ang ganda rin dito, guys. Immersive nga siya habang kumakain kayo. Look. Galing, oh. Oh, so cool. So, yung food, ano ba tong food ko, dear?
Yung food namin, sweet and sour fish fillet.
Ito. With rice.
With
Tapos,
rice.
meron siyang, what's this? Cake? Parang, cake. Parang cupcake. Ito.
Muffin.
Muffin. So, yun yung ano mo dito sa Castle Foodie kung magbubuk ka, Truk-Luk, yung immersive dining experience sila.
Tapos
So, sa kids, for them, carbonara and chicken nuggets. So, let's try the food here, guys. So, the drink is, ano to? Anong kulay ito? Parang may naiisip akong kulay nito, ha?
Ano?
Para siyang melon na maasim-asim. Hindi ko maintindihan yung lasa niya. Let's try the fish fillet. And
When did it be small?
ito, para siyang ano, no? Oh, may sili.
Have a burger ba?
So with the ano, price. So yeah, the fish fillet. And let's try this. Yung nit, ang sarap. Ang sarap din. Kain tayo, guys.
Daddy, cute.
Cheers. You want to cheers? Okay. Cheers. Yun, kain lang tayo dito. Tapos ito, tingnan natin kung ano pa yung meron sa labas. Kung ano pa yung attraction nila. Sarap, guys. Hindi pa kami nabusog dun sa immersive dining. So, gusto kasi namin tikman tong Blue Burger ng J Castles. So, ito yung Blue Burger Overload. So, this one is the bacon cheeseburger. Oh, it's blue rin. So,
It's not a joke pala.
oo. Let's try this. Kasi sabi nila masarap daw to. Oh my. So guys, overload. Ang daming sahog. Yan, may bacon, may cheese. Yan, patty. Tapos, meron ding gulay. So,
Mine's just
how was
mine's just bacon and cheese and patty.
yeah. Kain tayo, guys. Let's try the Blue Burger of J Castles. Ang sarap. Huh? Ang sarap. Ang sarap na, guys.
Gosh, worth it. You guys should try it.
You're going to be Smurfette.
No,
I'm
no.
Papa Smurf. Hindi, pero no joke, masarap siya. Hindi ko alam, oo, yung ito, hindi ko alam, wala naman siyang lasang tinapay lang siya. Lasang tinapay lang naman siya, no?
But it's just color blue.
Color blue nga lang siya. So, sa team kasi ng J Castles is blue. So, kaya ginawa nilang blue yung burger. Pero, masarap siya. So yun guys, sinare lang din namin sa inyo to. Kaya kung pupunta kayo dito, must try this.
It's a must try.
Yeah, the burger of J Castles.
Yeah.
So after this guys, lalabas tayo. Chilling natin kung ano pa yung pwedeng gawin sa labas. Wait lang guys ha. Hi D!
Cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Both speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret.
Alright, we're heading back to our car. Ngayon, tanong natin sa kanila kung nag-enjoy ba sila dito sa J Castles. Did you guys enjoy?
Yeah,
Super enjoy?
really, really nice and it's worth the visit.
Yes, definitely a happy place. So recommended to sa mga pamilya. Yun, punta kayo dito. Enjoy dito guys. So if you like this video, please support our channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. And
please follow our socials.
okay, see you on the next one guys. Bye!